What's up everybody, Rebel Drifter here, and today we will be opening this box right here, which has probably been sent to me by Ray from Erovenus.com. And as you can see, we have the head here as well. It came in a day later, and we can open that one up first. Alright, here we go. We already have some extra goodies. That is a specific hanging thing again. And then of course we also have the quick connect and the threaded connector. Alright, now that we have cleaner hands, you can see how much foam we have to get off. Whoop. There we go. Get the box out of the way. As you can see, very nicely sculpted in here as well. I always like that when everything is so very well protected. Here we go. Here we have our lady right here. Let me adjust the eyes real quick. Get those in a little bit of a better position. There we go. And this is going to be an ROS head, even though there is a little bit of, there's something like plastic or glue in there. Oh, it's plastic. Okay. As you can see, it's like a teeth protector with a little bit of makeup on there. So we're going to put that to the side. So this probably came hot off the presses. So she has very white teeth, which is very nice. Very gorgeous looking head once more by our good friends at Erovenus. This is A15, as it says on the bottom. Now let me see if I can get the ROS going, which is difficult right now. Can't really do that. I have her mouth a little bit more open, as you can see. But the jawline or the jaw is actually very tight right now. So we'll probably have to plop on to the body, and then we'll be able to showcase that. It's cool that she has implanted hair though. And yeah, really nice color too. All right, now that we've got that out of the way, we're just gonna open up the box itself real quick. As far as I know, not been checked by customs because this is from a warehouse in Germany where they have stock, and it really looks like it hasn't been checked at all, which is nice. It's actually very tightly packed, as you can see, which is very cool. And then we can take off the gray foam, put that to the side real quick so it doesn't bother us anymore. And here you can see our lovely lady that has been packed with, of course, your water bottle and your drying stick and your Love Nestle bag or pouch with a card in there and a manual, as far as I know. So that's really cool. And then there's a bikini set in here, which I doubt is going to fit because this lady has some giant hoo-has, which of course is very nice. We like that very much. Very nicely done in their own pouch. Nothing else to actually discuss here because everything seems to be in perfect order. So that's dope. All right, and here she is. As you can see, it's not going to work with the bikini, but we have to make it work. See how that all goes. So what I'm going to do now is hopefully not stand in the light too much and also not screw that up. So we're going to pump her up, ladies and gentlemen. Again, my favorite segment of the show. Look at that wobble, look at that jiggle, and there's so much droop. It is insane. Oh boy, I was sliding away. And this is the highest as she will go. Alright, so this is Marina from Erovenus.com. She is around $1,300. She is a 67.24 lb BBW silicone redhead XXX doll with very big chest. Of course, you will see the information on the green screen. And her color is fair. She's ultra soft. She has ultra realistic head makeup. She has an ROS head, and you can either choose for a wig or realistic implanted hair. Her chest is very soft. Her butt area should also be very soft. The quality that you get is always insane from Erovenus. Shout out to Ray. Now we do have a tiny problem which has happened before in my videos. As you can see right here on the neck area, if I can zoom in, there isn't a hole there. See? So what we need to do is grab that big hook pin thing and actually go and make the hole ourselves, which is not going to be very difficult. All right, so we grab the pin, right? This one right here, this pin, and you can see it has a hole on the top and it's closed on the bottom. So naturally, what we're going to do is we're just going to grab, let's see if there's no, everything seems to be very clean. I love these pins though, I think they're very cool. So we're just going to grab, I'm going to wipe my thing off again, the area here and feel where the edge is. So it's going to be around there. I'm going to put this one on, and you're going to just do that. And as you can see, it's completely loose. There's a little bit of crud around there, so I'm going to try and pick that up. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Boom! Here comes all the other crud out. That's your little silicone piece, because they have, how do you say that, put it in the mold. So the mold actually had the silicone run into the hole right there. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a perfect, I'm going to grab another paper just to be safe. Now we have a perfect little hole. All right, as you can see, pretty much perfect. It's so clean looking, it is insane. If Erovenus wants to hire me to do this the whole day, let me know. All right, so let's go over her real quick. We got the Erovenus pouch right there. She looks really nice. Like I said, 9 out of 10 times YouTube demonetizes me. So if I'm gonna do this, you know, whatever, and this as well, or this, there's a lot of heft to it. And I like the droop because that's very realistic. So what we can do now is actually turn our little area around to check the other side. You can see the veins there. The neck is also perfect. The bikini looks nice, if you ask me. The only thing that I could find right now on the top was, where is it? It's a little bit over here. There's a little bit of stuff here on the inside of her leg, which is probably going to be, you know, your powder stuff. So if I grab a wet or damp cloth, we're probably not going to see that anymore. So all in all, a very nicely sculpted torso by Erovenus. And what we need to do now is actually flip her around and check out the backside. Here she is, flipped around like a pancake. You can see the shoulder area is really nice regarding her arms protruding, the small little area here. And then she is laying on her chest, but because it's kind of like there's a pillow underneath here as well, as you can see, the droop or the pressing in of her chest is a little bit less noticeable. That's why you can still see it has a little bit of force to it, or a little bit of weight, that it's not that soft where it completely kind of deflates, you know. But again, that's nice, because if you have this size chest and it's going to be super wobbly, then you might actually tear the silicone. And then her butt area, which of course is soft too. Very soft, which is nice. Not so super jiggly, but still a very nice caboose. And then we can turn her around again, which is very nice. Regarding this table that we have, the operating table as I like to call it. All right, now that she's turned around, I did see somewhere a very small little dimple. Maybe it was on the other side. No, I don't think so. Everything seems to be good. Maybe it was just light. So now that we've turned her around, she actually looks very appealing as well. This side seems to be good too. The bottom of the legs are good. And then the top, of course, as well. All right, now that she's balancing over there, we can actually move over to the head, which has a little bit of staticky hair. So we're gonna have to see if we can comb that away. But you know, it's not that bad. I've had way worse. And then we need to align her head in the perfect hole that I cut myself. All right, and here she is, completely assembled and a little bit more presentable regarding her looks. So you can see in the lighting that there's specific makeup on her face. And if the lighting is a little bit weird on her, it looks like it almost is a darker head than the skin tone. There's specific makeup on there which makes it look like that, but in real life it's a lot less apparent, to say the least. You can see it right here. And of course, the silicone mixture is always a lot more harder and different on a head than on the body. The body is a lot more softer. So we actually wanted to check, of course, the ROS, which is now going to be like this. Oh boy. And of course, we're going to do the finger test, which is seeing how far. Well, we already know 15 centimeters, but of course it's soft in there. The teeth are soft, the tongue is soft. Very stretchy tongue, which is of course very cool. Yoink. And then how she looks when her mouth is closed is of course a lot more chill, because there are certain ways that you can use the jaw or open the jaw and make her look and have her make specific facial expressions. So now I pretty much put it in pretty deep upwards. Her cheeks start to pout a little bit. I'm gonna do it like this, see? And then she looks a lot different from just when you open up the mouth just a little tiny bit. So here she's a little bit angry. When we do, oh, that's of course the neck bolt, which is also very nice that you can tilt the head independently of the neck. See, now she has a little bit more of a longer face, and she actually looks super beautiful if you ask me. You can see the teeth protruding a little bit. And then if we do a little bit more, when she has her mouth a little bit open, she also looks very cool. All right, so this has been another unboxing by yours truly, your favorite fat dude on YouTube, Rebel Drifter. Shout out to Ray from Erovenus.com, who dropped this Marina on my doorstep. And yeah, go check out their website. Use my discount codes and my bio or slash campsite links, whatever they're called, in the video description and or in the comments to get your discounts. And, you know, start ordering some Erovenus stuff. You will not be disappointed. They have been a very big supporter of my channel. And yeah, I thank them very much for everything. And let's see where the future goes. I'm still waiting on something special from Erovenus in the future. Hopefully I'll be one of the first people to showcase that to you. So stick around for more unboxings and some drifting here and there. Thank you very much for everything. Have a great rest of your week. See you guys in the next one. Peace.